That's how we begin, just a little bit of feedback. Thank you guys for coming out on a Wednesday. Thank you. This is Corey Gordon on the drums to my left. You guys are going to clap louder in a minute when you hear him play. This is Brandon Davitt on bass and vocals to my right. All right, let's do this. Can I have the tracks a lot louder right here? Funny, all the men I came with, you introduced them as friends, everyone but me. You didn't bother asking what my name was, but talk my fucking ear off about your new release. I'm just trying to tell your conscience, you tend to sound misogynistic when you talk. Your friends treat me like a groupie, the way they're looking through me. When's it gonna stop? I don't care about your boy band. I hate to break it to you. I don't care about your boy band. Why do I feel you think I'm lucky you're even talking to me? Darling, I'm so bored. And I know you'll reintroduce yourself next time I see you out like we never met before. Women are still relevant if you don't wanna fuck them. I don't care about your boy band. I hate to break it. I don't care about your boy band. Thank you, guys. Hell yeah. It's what you wanted, right? Wanted to fuck yourself a new girl right in my sight. What you wanted, right? Your body's such a tight game, you don't play nice. And your mind is wandering right back to my body all night. What you wanted, right? It's what you wanted, right? So private, tryna hide it, but you take it to the places you and I went. Pass me by with bruises on your neck. She's a buffer like any other, a placeholder for another former lover. I can see you trying to forget. Take your time. I hear the secrets you've been whispering, and I fine, knowing you're missing me. It's what you wanted, right? Wanted to fuck yourself a new girl at my side. What you wanted, right? But your body's such a tight game, you don't play nice. Your mind is wandering right back to my body all night. What you wanted, right? It's what you wanted, right? And you can't step back to see what you got isn't what. Oh! Take time. I hear the secrets you've been whispering, and I see fine. Knowing you listen, it's what you wanted, right? Wanted to fuck yourself a new girl on my side. What you wanted, right? But your body's such a tight game, you don't play nice. Your mind is wandering right back to my body all night. What you wanted, right? What you wanted, right? So it's like this, can't step back. See what you got isn't what you had. Do what you do just to make me mad. So it's like this and you can't step back. See what you got isn't what you had. Do what you do just to make me mad. It's It's what you wanted, right? Wanted to book yourself a new girl at my side. What you wanted, right? But your body's such a tight game, very nice. And your mind is born to my body all night. What you wanted, right? What you wanted, right? This, you can't step back. What you got is what you had. Do what you do just to make me mad. It's what you wanted, right? Thank you, guys. I have the driest mouth in the planet, so I'm gonna take a moment of silence. Thank you to ABCD for having us. Also, thank you to Gabe for these visuals back here. All right, we have 2 more for you. Let's dance, let's move. It'll be super fun. I was trapped in the fire. I was caught in the flames, almost drowned in the water. I was left in the rain, so I stayed dry. Pull me tight to your shoulder, turn my head sideways. Guess I gave in the moment when I gave up the race. I tell you why. Oh, I promised that I'd keep to myself this time, but I can't help the way I feel. And if you knew how hard I tried to keep you off my mind, you know exactly why I'm here. Can you bounce with me? I get the cup on my arm, the worry bleeds into mine. Says you're just like my father, gonna leave me behind. I built a wall in his absence, never learned how to trust, and I gave in to habit when I pushed you off. So pull me in. Oh, I promised that I'd keep to myself this time, but I can't help the way I feel. And if you knew how hard I've tried to keep you off my mind, you'd know exactly why I'm here. Don't keep me waiting, no, don't keep me waiting on you. Don't keep me waiting, no, don't keep me waiting on you. Oh, I promised that I'd keep to myself this time, but I can't help the way I feel. And if you knew how hard I tried to keep you off my mind, you know exactly why I'm here. You know exactly why I'm here. This song's called Stone Cold. Thank you guys for hanging out. We have a long night ahead of us. I've fallen under the rain. Poison you slipped me. but I don't feel any pain. I'm just all tongue-tied and dizzy. So now you're see, you're just like magic to me. You're so cold, talking like you own me. I'm so wrapped up in everything you say. Yeah, leaving me lonely, but I can't walk away. You got those sharp diamond eyes, so harsh they cut right through. You get whatever you like. You got me waiting on you. So now you're all I can see. You're just like magic to me. You're so cold, like you own me. I'm so wrapped up in everything you say. Yeah, leaving me lonely, but I can't walk away. You're so stone cold, talking like you own me. I'm so wrapped up in everything you say. Yeah, leaving me lonely, but I can't walk away. You're so cold, talking like you own me. I'm so wrapped up in everything you say. Yeah, leaving me lonely, but I can't walk away. One more time for Corey on the drums and Rand and David on bass and vocals over here. Thank you guys so much.